Are you thinking about joining my 100-day, 100 any rep challenge? I'm starting another one on the 13th for the new moon, and I would love it if you want to join us. You can, of course, start at any time, but it's nice to start with a group. And I'm going to be demonstrating lots of examples of things that you can do, from easy to only slightly less easy, because I'm taking it easy these days. And one of the favorites that's just nice and easy is you could do some reps of arm movements. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You could do them 10 at a time, or you could do the whole 100 at once. As you see, they could be nice and easy. They could be anything. I say if you count them, they count. I'm not sure how many that was, but you get the idea. I want to keep these real length time, so let me know if you have any ideas that go along with that, and let me know if you want to join my group, 100-Day Fitness Challenge. I'll see you soon.